Good morning, guys. Saving with Shay. I'm here for my weekend haul for you guys. Some of you guys say you like these glasses. These are my Temu glasses, y'all. I got these for like $1. Probably $1. Less than $1 quarter tree. My prescriptions kind of look just like these, but they're a little shorter. Cause you know your girl is farsighted. Well, hell, I'm far and nearsighted. I was just like, it's funny because I was telling Joseph, I was like thinking that our TV in the bedroom needed to be like, like upgraded or something. No, your girl's eyes need to be upgraded. So I was like, what the? When I got my prescriptions, I put them glasses on. I was like, damn, I can see everything. Oh my gosh, so funny. But listen, so this is my weekend video for you guys. I need 15 offers, you guys. I had a hard time. I ain't even gonna lie. Like lately, your girl's been struggling, like struggling, trying to get these rebates together. Definitely gonna be repeats. What's life without repeats, right? And so I'm gonna have some repeats, of course. Let me just say something really quick about the DiGiorno. I totally like screwed that deal all up. It was like all screwed up. Like I got the wrong pizza. I was supposed to get the stuffed one. I got the Detroit one. And so I didn't even get the Fanatic gift card, and it is a gift card to like a sporting like website, which I could have just like totally passed on that, like pass, because I went on the website and it was like the cheapest thing they had was I think hats. They probably have socks. Socks are usually really cheap too, but I was just like, I'm gonna go on this website to use this $10 gift card and end up paying $10 for shipping, and yeah, so I was just like, not worth it. So I would pass on that one. I would totally like skip it. So I gotta redo my breakdown to exclude that $10 gift card because I didn't get it or whatever. And so yeah, but that was that. Other than that, what else? But I did get back the other stuff, as far as I did get back the $5 gift card for the Neutrogena. I did get back the $10 one for the what was it for? It was for the spin. It was for the Gerber and the pizza. I did get those back like the same day, which was really, really cool. And so other than that, if you are new here, because yes, let's just face it, we always have people here that are new. And I am Shay. I'm here to help you save and help you make some money too, let's be honest. So definitely subscribe. Definitely make sure you smash like button. Support your girl. Of course, you guys make sure that your post notifications are on as well. So without further ado, we're gonna head over to Walmart, see what kind of awesome deals we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl got, definitely keep on watching. All right, guys. So this first deal is on the Nando's Peri hot sauce. It's priced at $4.46. This one popped up on Ibotta last night as a freebie. I'm getting back $4.62, so it makes it a 16-cent moneymaker. All right, and of course there is the deal on the Taco Bell seasonings. It's still going on. These are priced at 82 cents. You want to grab one of them, getting back 10 cents on Ibotta. There's also 25 cents on Swagbucks as well, making it 47 cents for one. Or I could grab two of them, making them 34 cents each. So I think I'm just gonna grab two of them because why not? Next up is the Mercy, price at $6.98 for this. You want to grab two of them. I printed off two of these printables from coupons.com this morning, so that's going to bring that total down to paying $9.96 out of pocket, and then getting back $7 on Swagbucks for buying two, and then $1.62 for each. Are $3.24 on checkout 51, making them both free plus a 28-cent moneymaker. Now you could also do this as a all digital and submit for $2 on ShopMe for one. There's also a $2 offer on Swagbucks as well. That's a manufacturer offer, but I haven't been lucky, you guys, with getting two offers for the same item, whether it be one manufacturer and one regular offer. So that's why I'm gonna go ahead and just use the printables. And so yeah, so this next deal is on the C4 energy drinks. I think these are like in the wrong spot because these down here say $2.46, but these are the ones that cost more, and they don't work for Ibotta. So I scanned them to make sure these two work. They're priced at $2.46. There's an offer on Ibotta for $1. There's also one for 10 cents any energy drink as well. So it'll make it only $1.36. So this next deal is on the Hershey Farms. I know you guys are probably tired of seeing me get these, but the offer on Shopkick went up to $6.50. and 50 scan kicks. So 700 kicks back is 280, making these a 2-cent moneymaker with a limit of 3 per flavor. So I grabbed 3 of these, 3 of these. Both stores I went to yesterday were out of the Kobe one, the Kobe cheese one. And so I got 3 of each, all free. All right, just a reminder on this nut pods deal, and I can't get the nut pods out. These are priced at $5.24. Listen, I'm just reminding you guys that this deal is still going on. I tried it. I honestly could not care less for it at all. So I'm gonna stick to what I stick to. So grabbing this at $5.24, getting back 50 cents on Ibotta. And then there's a aisles offer, which I just got mine back today. I'm making this a 50-cent moneymaker if it's your, you know, jam. All right, so next up is the Too Good smoothie drinks. They are priced at how much are they priced at? Oh, okay. They're priced at $142. All right, so I'm gonna grab 2 of these. The total is gonna come to $284. There's an offer on Ibotta for $1 when you buy 2. There's also a 5-cent any drinkable yogurt offer as well. It makes these only 39 cents each, which is definitely not bad. Now I also might have this on Swagbucks, so I'm definitely gonna check over there as well. And of course, we're gonna go with the Oikos Triple Zero. I had mine yesterday, and it was really, really good. I think I had the banana. So I'm gonna grab this one again, priced at $118. Getting back 50 cents on Ibotta makes this only 68 cents. All right, so next up is the Pedialyte. I'm gonna be grabbing the freezer pops just because they're cheaper. They're priced at $4.98. So we're gonna grab 1 of these. Hey girlie, how's it going? Good. We're gonna be getting back $3 on Ibotta, $2 on Shopmium. I think this is on Swagbucks as well, but without it, it's still without it, it's still a 2-cent moneymaker. Now I know there's an OTC offer. I signed up, but like I haven't gotten the coupon yet, so I'm just gonna grab it anyway since it's free. And because I'm short an offer, I'm gonna go ahead and do the Purina Benefo Incredibites. Bites. I got it right this time. On roll back for $1.28, getting back 50 cents on Ibotta makes it 78 cents. Not the greatest deal, but I only needed 1 more offer, and this was it. Okay, so I'm gonna be grabbing this deal on the children's Allegra again, priced at $11.84. I did this for Shopmium last time, and this one was scanning for me. The berry was, the grape was not. So grabbing this one, $11.84, getting back 4 on Ibotta, 5 on Alexa, and 5 on Swagbucks makes it a $2.72 moneymaker. All right, so this next deal is on the Dove body wash. I got this one last time, y'all, and it smells so freaking good. Price is $6.97. You're gonna grab 1 of them, getting back $2 on Ibotta. There's also $3 on Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, Alexa, Shopmium as well. Bringing that down to $1.03 moneymaker. So this next deal is on the Colgate renewal. The universe is like, look girl, we got you. I'm getting the last one. It's on clearance for $6.75. So I'm gonna grab 1 of these. I'll be getting back what, $3 on Ibotta and $4 on Tada, making this a 25-cent moneymaker. All right, so the last thing that I'm gonna be grabbing is gonna be on the Poise. Now I did not get the $10 Poise offer on Ibotta, nor did I get the Depends one. Either that or I got it and it was gone before I realized I got it. Which is the same thing as not getting it. And so we're gonna grab the Poise right here. It's the 48 count thin pads, priced at $10.12. We'll be getting back $2 on Ibotta. There's also $5 on Shopmium, and then I think I also have it on Swagbucks as well. And then last but not least, 495 kicks on Shopkick, which is $1.98, making this a $3.86 moneymaker. All right, guys, so here is my complete haul for today. Everything here worked out really, really good. I did have to get a gift card because I was still 1 offer short. One of you guys was asking me, how do you redeem for a gift card through Ibotta? When you click to pay to cash out, you just click gift card and you choose your gift card. Simple as that. I usually screenshot mines and use it ASAP. But super, super easy. And as of now, they are still counting towards the bonuses. So if I need an extra offer rather than, pay more out of pocket, I'll just redeem for a Walmart gift card. And so there was that. Other than that, you guys, I'm gonna make this really quick because everything was smooth. One thing really quick on this year with the Mercy, I submitted that on Swagbucks, and it's supposed to be $7 back when you buy two, but when the receipt, well, it's still in review, it says $10. So that actually might be an even bigger moneymaker than I anticipated. So I'll let you guys know by way of a pinned comment how that works out. The other thing was for the Taco Bell. That was supposed to be 75 cents back when you buy two, and that one is $1. So an extra 25 cents for that as well. So great deals on both those items. Again, I'll let you guys know how it works out. But yeah, though that's, a little extra $3.25. I ain't complain. So other than that, this was cool. All right. I used the coupons on the Mercy. They scanned perfectly fine. I did that in self-checkout. And so everything you see here retails $84.60 minus the $4 in printables, brought the out-of-pocket down to $80.60. And then we walk away with $27.22 from Ibotta. Swagbucks is $25. Shopkick is $18.68. Shopmium was $11. Tada is $7. Alexa is $5. And last but not least was Checkout 51 at $3.24. So we walk away with a total of $97.14 back in rebates, making everything you see here free plus a $16.54 moneymaker. Now my tax was $2.57, which was awesome because most of this is food. And so even after tax, we still make almost $14, which is really, really awesome. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button with a door. As far as emojis, since Josiah came home and went straight to sleep because he said he ran 3 laps and he was really tired, let me see some Z's. No, let me see a running emoji. And let me see some Z's in the comments if you got to the end of the video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.